In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an accountant's copy in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're an accountant or a business owner, this simple process lets you collaborate smoothly with your financial professional. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. At the top of the page, click Sign In. This will take you to the QuickBooks login page. From the list of products, select QuickBooks Online since that's the platform we're working with today. Now enter your username and password, then click Continue. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your QuickBooks dashboard. Next, we're going into the settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks stores all your main tools and customization options. Inside the settings menu, click on Manage Users. This section lets you add, remove, or update users who have access to your QuickBooks account. On the Manage Users page, look for the section called Accounting Firms. This is specifically designed for inviting your accountant so they can work on your books directly. Click on Accounting Firms to continue. You'll now see a field where you can enter your accountant's email address. Type it carefully and double check for any mistakes. Correct spelling is important to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. After entering the email, click the Invite button. QuickBooks will send an official invitation to your accountant, giving them secure access to your QuickBooks file. Once the invitation is sent, here's a quick but useful tip. Send your accountant a short message letting them know to check their inbox. Sometimes these emails land in promotions or spam folders, so giving them a heads up helps avoid delays. And that's it. You've successfully opened an accountant's copy in QuickBooks Online and granted your accountant access to review, adjust, or manage your financial data. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.